Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours of time. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And I forgot, but I knew to disclose. So from a disclosure perspective, I am long Litecoin, so just keep that in mind as I go through this analysis. I did this video yesterday and talked about how the price had just been kind of trapped in this sideways price movement, and there really wasn't much else to talk about until something happened, quote unquote. And one of those things that could happen was a breakout to the upside. And lo and behold, I am definitely not complaining. Again, I am long, but got the breakout to the upside right here of that pattern. So definitely some updates here need to be made. And that first update comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from yesterday, hopefully you remember me talking about 235 as resistance. But again, as the rule states, when it's broken, you would ideally like to see it act as support. And check it out. Beautiful example here of a rule, in theory, playing out perfectly in reality. So the price broke above it. The bears try to press down below it, but so far so good. That 235 mark is, continuing to hold as support. That would be the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 235. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because you still have that overall level of support. And on that note, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Yeah, it pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. But as far as the overall level of support, and for those of you that have been watching my past videos, you know what I'm going to talk about here. But it is all about that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of the price movement the past few weeks, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Well, I talked about this in yesterday's video, and that's right up here, right around the $260 mark. And actually, where's that coming from? All right, so that's just coming from way back here. So it's been a while since the price has been up this high. And I guess these are crypto, so I should probably map out one more area of resistance just in case something really crazy happens. Yes, I'm talking to myself. So the next area after right around 260 to keep an eye on in the event the price can push through there is 275. So 260, 275, next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, nice breakout move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this breakout going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.